Hello investors and traders, today I will speak about 3 stocks to buy in August 2022. So let's start with the first one, it's Walt Disney. Let's check the chart firstly. Here we have in my mind a clear ABC move. It was the wave A and then B and C. C is we can see that it 5 ways C here it's first, two, third, fourth, and the fifth, and so see finish there. Also, it's a weekly chart, so we have a very uh, major support level here. It about 82, 83. So we didn't fell down this. We didn't broke this support level. So from this point, from 90, we had a nice bounce last weeks. Also the momentum indicator, let's check the RSI. We see that the last oversold position where at the COVID crisis, it was March 2020. So also here now it was June, May of this year was a nice levels to buy the stock. So now also last weeks we had a earning report of Disney. It was 10 of August, and it beat the expectations by EPS and by revenue. The EPS beat it by 11%, and the revenue we can see that the estimation was 20 billions, and the Disney reports that already more than 21 billions per one quarter, so it's very nice figures. Let's check out the fundamentals parameters of Walt Disney. We can see that the total score is 76. The financial strength is 5 from 10, but we can see that debt to EBITDA ratio is 4. Interest coverage is, in my mind, is enough. So the financial strength is not so top like Facebook, like Apple, but it's okay. The profitability also, now it's a profitable company. The gross margin is more than 30, and net margin about 4%. If we'll speak about the growth, the future analysts expect the EPS growth more than 30%, and the future revenue will grow about 10%. And let's check the value. We can see that the PE ratio is 70. It's a lot, but the PS ratio, price per share, is below 3. So below 3, in my mind, it's very cheap. Also the liquidity ratio, current ratio, PE ratio, it's okay. And here the cash position of Disney, it's very nice. Of course, this company has more debt than cash, but 0.25 cash to debt ratio, it's okay. Let's come back to the chart. We can see that the PS ratio for the last years, here we had about 2 in June of this year, but about 1 year ago it was above 5. So here we can see that the COVID crisis, in this point last weeks, about 2.3, it's okay, it's very cheap. So in my mind, still it's below 3. So these levels, yeah, it's already, so these levels already is not bad levels to buy the stock. In the high levels, Disney was more than 20, so now it's down 40% from its high levels. So Disney, it's a stock I'm holding in my portfolio. I like the quarter report, I like the performance, and also the PS ratio is for me very attractive. Let's check the second stock. It's Palantir. So it's US IT company. At the chart we can see that it was a clean ABC move, A, B, and C. Now also it's very nice sign that we got the IPO price. It was about $10. So now we currently trading at this level. So usually when the company coming back to the IPO price from these levels, it can start to really show a very strong nice performance. It was at Facebook and other stocks, so for me it's very good sign. Regarding Palantir, I like this stock. It's IT company. It has government contracts. Also, if we'll check here the horizontal levels, we can see that it's very huge cluster here. 2024. So we have a potential to grow from current levels to more than 100%. So why not? I think it's very possible. The last quarter report of Palantir from my mind was okay. And let's have a look on its fundamental. So let's check the Palantir here. We can see the cash to debt ratio is about 10. Now the company is still not profitable. It showing losses, but the EBITDA growth for the last year and the other parameters like EPS and the revenue, it's very impressive, about 30%. No, there is no need to check the PE ratio, PB ratio, price per balance sheet, because it's a T company. It has most probably any equipment and other tangible assets. So this company, if you believe in this company, yeah, so you can buy. If you don't, so don't buy. As for me, I have a small share of this company in my portfolio, and I think it can show a very nice performance. Maybe the next Google, the next Apple, but now still it's a not so big company. It's only 20. Its market cap is 20 billions. But I'm hold. I will hold it, and I hope that it can even double in my portfolio and show a very good performance. And let's check the last stock for today. It's Zoom. It's a stock I'm holding personally in my portfolio. I like it so much. It didn't at high levels. It was above 40. Now its current level only 120, so it's very cheap. If we look at the chart, let's check it. We have a very strong support level. Major support level is about 100. Also, we had a clear ABC move here. It's a declining channel, and now in my mind, this correction is finished. Also, let's see. You can see that now we broke this downtrend, and now we're trying to get out from this channel. So it's a very good sign. Also, the weekly RSI, the momentum indicator, only 42, so it's now not overbought. So also the momentum indicator showing us that it's also a nice level, nice time to buy the stock. Let's check the fundamental of Zoom. We can see that it's very strength position, its financial position very strong. No debt at this company. Interest coverage is huge. Debt to EBITDA ratio about 0. So any questions, any problems with that? Also, the profitability is better than Disney. The gross margin 75%, net margin about 30. It's very high, very impressive. If we will check the last 3-year revenue, EBITDA and EPS, they show the nice growth, and the future also. The projections for the EPS and the revenues about both of them about 10%. Also, it's very nice. The P ratio is now 26. Not so cheap, but it's okay. And the PS ratio, price per share, is about 8. For such net marginality, it's fine. It can be about 10, but now we have even below 8, so it's fine. So Zoom I like very much. Now I hope that the correction in the stock is finished. The correction itself was about 80%, very strong and very tough correction. But about these levels, even below 100, I started to buy the stocks now. Also for me, it's very convenient, very attractive levels. So I'm continue to buy the stock. So today we check 3 stocks: Disney, Palantir and Zoom. It's 3 stocks that I'm personally holding my portfolio. So if you like this video, press the like button, subscribe onto my channel, and see you the next time. Bye.